Hi, this video will show you about how to have the keypad, 10-button keypad to work with our central controller. Okay, so here I have the connections. Basically, this is the keypad, which is already connected to our controller, which we have a 8-port POS switch building. Okay, and I have the LAN cables connect to our matrix switcher. So basically, later I can just use this keypad to send the commands to our controller first, then from our controller using the TCP IP to control our matrix switcher switching. And another LAN cable is connected to my PC. So on my PC, basically, it's the logic node programming, which is for our controller. So basically, for using this one, we need to have a TCP server module here, and then we need to have the IP address as well. So the IP address here, which is need to be the controller IP address. You can see this is our controller IP address. Then accept this module, and the port number we can just use any of them. And they accept this one, we need to have one is the serial quarter, which is kind of like to have the okay, we'll just double click, then we can see here we have the commands here, but the commands here is just can be anything. We just need to make sure, and we have the commands here going to be just the same as our keypad controller IP address. Okay, we'll just log in the IP controller, and then the first step we need to go to the device setting. Here we need to enter the name and also the IP address. IP address is going to be the TCP server IP address, and the port number, which we just mentioned in the TCP server module here. Okay, and then we go back to the keypad controller. Next step is about the command settings. So the command setting, we just add it, then we can put the commands here. So the commands here is going to be the same as the one we have it here. Okay. Then accept this one. Then after the this, it's almost done, kind of like done already on the keypad. But after the commands, then we have the key setting. Key settings kind of like just have the commands really bound with this key, right? Okay. So this is what we already have it done for the keypad controller. Then larger node, we back here. We have the serial send to. This one is for us to fill out the commands, which is of the device which we are going to control. Another commands here is for control our matrix switcher. Then from this one, sending to the TCP client. Okay, so TCP client. Then we'll have the IP address, which is to use as our matrix switcher controller, matrix switcher IP address, and phone number is 5000. Okay. So this is the who programming to have the keypad, which is can control our working with our controller, then to send the commands to the matrix switcher. Let's see. Record preset 2. Record the preset 1. Right. We also can check out on the matrix switcher. Record preset 2. Record preset 3. Record preset 1. Right. Okay, so this one is using the keypad to working with the controller sending the commands to the matrix switcher. And this is about the programming on the logic node. Okay, thank you.